So I got a furnace here I'm working on. I don't really know too much about home HVAC. I've been learning more about it because the furnace in my home is 30 years old and I think I need a replacement. And this is kind of a closely guarded profession when it comes to home furnaces. They don't really trust the homeowner with this stuff. I did learn that this style, you can buy these Goodman off of Amazon. And I was thinking about replacing my own furnace with one of these Goodman. Unfortunately, this one that I'm working on right now is apparently a little bit older than 1 year old, and it quit working. So the first thing I did was look at the thermostat, and the thermostat wasn't getting power. Actually, this one's not turning on at all. So, of course, we did all the normal things like checked power at the fuse panel, at the breaker box, and then the switch. And then I had to actually unbolt these panels, these two panels. And if you'll notice, someone built a wall right in front of this. It wouldn't be too bad if the wall was right here and the service section was right here in front. But since they built the wall right here, it's really difficult to get in here and figure anything out. But it was fairly simple because, well, I left the burnt fuse downstairs, but typically, as far as I'm aware, all these panels, this one right here, this control board. All right, here we go. I got the light on it. So all of these boards are gonna have a fuse somewhere. I pulled this one out earlier and I can't even remember where it came from. I pulled it out in the dark. So I'm gonna have to find it real quick. It's all the way over here. Yeah. I'm putting it in right now. All right, it's in. I gotta hold this switch. There we go. I heard it click. He's turning the thermostat on right now. There we go. Success. And it should kick on these burners here in a second. There we go. See, that's the igniter. And then the burners should kick on. Yep, there we go. All I needed was a fuse. Alright, I gotta kick this back off. Well, that's no good. I'm gonna try again. Igniter should come on again and try to kick on the there it goes, igniter kicked on again. Let's see if it stays on this time. I think it's going to stay on. I should put this panel back on. It's supposed to run with this panel on, so we're going to put it back together at this point.